In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Docusign conditional logic. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills with Docusign, setting up conditional logic for your documents can greatly enhance their functionality by tailoring the information presented based on specific inputs or actions. So let's dive right in and make the process clear and simple for you. First, you'll want to head over to the Docusign website. If you're unfamiliar, Docusign is a leading platform for electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, providing a convenient way to manage and sign contracts. Once you're on the home page, it's time to log in. Locate the login button, click on it, and enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign home page. From here, navigate to the templates section. Templates are a great way to streamline the document creation process because they allow you to use pre-formatted documents, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Select a template that you'd like to work with. This can be a pre-existing template or one that you've customized to meet your specific needs. Once you have your template selected, it's time to add the necessary details to your document. This step ensures that all the necessary information is included in your template, tailoring it to fit the requirements of your transaction or agreement. Once you've added all the details, click the Next button. This will guide you to a different interface where you can further customize your template. Now comes the fun part, making your document smart with conditional logic. You'll want to click on the Formula option. This feature allows you to use calculations or logical conditions within your document. Following that, click on Conditional Fields. This is where you define specific conditions for your document. Conditional fields are crucial for when you want certain sections of your document to be filled out depending on previous entries, ensuring that the signers only see the relevant parts necessary for them. Next, it's time to create the rule that defines your condition. Click on Create Rule. Here you can set parameters for when a field should appear or be required based on the inputs made in other fields. For example, you might want a field for additional details to be shown only if a particular choice is selected earlier in the document. This rule-based setup not only minimizes error, but also helps in collecting essential information without overwhelming the signer with unnecessary fields. And that's it. You have successfully set up conditional logic in Docusign. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance your document automation and ensure a seamless experience for your document signers. Don't forget to save your changes and test the template to see your conditional logic in action. I hope this guide was helpful in setting up conditional logic in your Docusign documents. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your use of digital tools. Thanks for watching.